right, guys, we are a hair over 2 hours out. We are heading to a place called Fourchon, Louisiana. It's down in the Gulf of Mexico. I mean, it's right there at the Gulf. There's a giant port out there, there's fishing, and it's right next to an even more popular area called Grand Isle. We're gonna probably make 1 or 2 stops. We gotta get some ice, and then also we'll probably have to gas up before we go. So let's just say 2.5 hours, and I'm looking at arriving around 6:30. It gets dark around 8:30, so I think for tonight, I think we're just gonna do a ride, and we're gonna try and get some good footage of a sunset over some bridges. All right, so we have stopped. We have 1 hour and 16 on the clock. We're not gonna get gas here. I think we'll go a little farther, but while we wait, snack time. Mm-hmm. $6:38, I guess 6:30, we were 8 minutes off. There is no time to fish, so let's get a quick ride in. On this episode of Cribs, we have the master bed, we have the pit bull, the dining area, we have scenic views, and a luxurious bathroom.
Thank you for stopping by and joining Junebug and I on one of our most memorable journeys. The peacefulness of this place keeps reeling us back in. I just wanted to say that if you get the chance, take your four-legged friend out, have some adventure, and make some memories that last a lifetime.